Wondering how the coronavirus is affecting real estate? Stay tuned and find out. Melody, how do you think the coronavirus is affecting real estate?
Well, Donna, I think the truth is we really just don't know what's going to happen. I mean, on the one hand, people are worried about the economy and their job security. But then on the other hand, we've never seen interest rates this low. This could potentially be the best time to ever buy a house.
Absolutely.
I think it's just too soon to really know how this is going to affect us.
What we do know is there's a lot of sellers still needing to sell their home, and there's still a lot of buyers looking to buy a new home.
That's right. What we're doing for our clients who are wanting to sell with us is provide a wellness welcome kit to leave near the entrance of your home with instructions to the buyers that are visiting.
If you're buying a home, we will be equipped for every showing with wellness supplies for your use.
Donna and I just want you to know that we are still here for our buyers and sellers. We are working to ensure the smoothest possible outcome for all of our clients, despite all the unknowns of this virus.
That's right, Melody. So we encourage you to keep taking your vitamins and tune in next week for the next episode of Make a Move Monday.
Bye y'all. Happened?
We didn't get it.
No.
Put
your damn glasses on and read it. That's what I'm doing.
Oh.